The next step is to insert the absorber into the wooden frame after the soldering is done.
Please make sure that the absorber is placed in the frame correctly, with the connecting tube at the corresponding point where the hole was earlier drilled in the frame. Attention! A pressure and leak test should now be carried out by a qualified person.
Now we will paint the copper manifolds and the connection tubes with black solar paint.
Thank you for watching. In the next video, attaching the metal frame for fixing the glass and inserting the sealing material.